Welcome back. On this video, we are talking about what we're expecting on your favorite Star Life series this September. You guys, a lot of drama is actually going on that you don't need to miss. But however, before it's shown on TV, we are here to recap it for you to know what happens exactly on the TV before it is shown, which is definitely spoilers. So if you're a spoiler person and you enjoy watching spoilers, then stick around to this video because this covers a lot of episodes. And also, I think I'll be posting this on August. So also if you are interested to see August spoilers, check out my channel and watch them as well because they're also posted there. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And the drama even get more intense and heated this September. Let us jump straight into the video of today without wasting any of your time.
1st September 2026, Episode 96. Sarabjit faces a custody crisis. A fierce custody battle takes a dramatic turn after Param is injured, placing Sarabjit at risk of losing him. Meanwhile, Kulwant takes a bold step that could either save the family or make the situation even worse. 2nd September 2026, Episode 97. Meher comes to Param's rescue. The custody battle grows more intense as Param's shoelaces come undone during a crucial moment. Meher quickly steps in to help him, once again displaying her strong maternal instincts despite the mounting pressure. 3rd September 2026. Episode 98. Param wins against the odds. Param emerges victorious in the custody case, prompting Neerja and the colonel to leave for London. Relieved by the outcome, Sarabjit suggests taking Meher on a honeymoon to Serbia. 4th September 2026 Episode 99. Meher and Sarabjit leave for Serbia. Meher and Sarabjit prepare for their honeymoon, but Param accompanies them on his first international trip. While in Serbia, Param unknowingly helps ease the awkwardness between the couple. 5th September 2026 Episode 100. Sarabjit's Unexpected Condition. As the series celebrates its 100th episode, the Serbia trip takes an unexpected turn when Sarabjit sets a surprising condition that leaves Param stunned. 6th September 2026. Episode 1 Act 01. Param sneaks into the airport. Determined not to be separated from Meher, Param secretly hides inside her luggage in a desperate attempt to travel with her. 7th September 2026. Episode 102. Meher's Risky Bluff. Param's plan goes wrong when the flight departs without him being discovered. To deal with the situation, Meher and Sarabjit are forced to carry out a risky bluff. 8th September 2026 Episode 103. Problems begin in Serbia. The honeymoon quickly runs into trouble as missing luggage, lost documents, and an unexpected encounter with a woman from Sarabjit's past create fresh complications. 9th September 2026 Episode 104. Kulwant turns Bittu against Jito. Back in India, Kulwant uses a leaked video to manipulate Bittu against Jito in an attempt to stop an upcoming wedding. 10th September 2026 Episode 105. Jito makes a bold decision. The conflict created by Kulwant pushes a heartbroken Jito toward a drastic decision, while Meher and Sarabjit's relationship is tested by troubles unfolding back home. 11th September 2026 Episode 106. Meher makes a shocking discovery. During a cruise outing, what begins as a simple photo request leads Meher to uncover a disturbing truth that leaves her shaken. 12th September 2026 Episode 107. Sarabjit's surprise for Meher. Hoping to brighten Meher's spirits, Sarabjit plans a thoughtful surprise gift to comfort her during a difficult time. 13th September 2026 Episode 108. Meher begins to doubt herself. The burden of Meher's hidden past catches up with her, causing her to question the future of her relationship with Sarabjit. Can be 14th September 2026 Episode 109. The Serbia Trap. Outside forces take advantage of Meher and Sarabjit's vulnerable situation, drawing them into a growing conflict that puts their trust in each other to the test. September 2026 Episode 110. Meher is left heartbroken. The honeymoon reaches an emotional turning point when Sarabjit distances Meher from Param and makes a heartbreaking promise about the future. It's September 2026, episode 111. Param's life is at risk. After Param mysteriously goes missing in Serbia, Meher and Sarabjit launch a desperate search to find him before it's too late. 17 September 2026. Episode 112. Meher suffers an emotional breakdown. The fear of losing Param, combined with the weight of keeping secrets, finally overwhelms Meher, leaving her emotionally shattered. 18 September 2026. Episode 113. Sarabjit stands by Meher. Seeing Meher devastated, Sarabjit comforts and reassures her, strengthening the emotional bond between them. 19 September 2026. Episode 114. The family returns home. The honeymoon comes to an end as everyone returns to India, only to discover that fresh challenges are waiting for them. 20th September 2026. Episode 115. Kulwant plots again. Back home, Kulwant immediately begins working on another scheme, determined to protect the family's reputation no matter who gets hurt. 21st September 2026. Episode 116. Meher surrenders to the police. After being trapped by kidnappers in Serbia, with no way to contact anyone, Meher cleverly surrenders to the Serbian police to secure her return to India. 22nd September 2026. Episode 117. Kulwant loses her temper. As loyalties within the family begin to shift, Kulwant lashes out in anger while desperately trying to maintain control. 23rd September 2026. Episode 118. Meher's quiet return. Meher safely returns home, but the emotional distance between her and Sarabjit remains after everything they experienced in Serbia. 24th September 2026. Episode 119. Meher reunites with her family. Meher finally reunites with her loved ones, but soon realizes that Kulwant has created deep divisions within the household. 25th September 2026. Episode 120. Meher makes an emotional appeal. Although Sarabjit offers her a place away from him, Meher surprises him by asking to remain in his home, forcing him to rethink his decision. 26th September 2026. Episode 121. Sarabjit accepts responsibility. As questions about Meher's pregnancy begin to spread, Sarabjit publicly claims to be the baby's father to protect her honor. 27 September 2026. Episode 122. Kulwant's fear grows. Worried that the truth about Manav could be exposed, Kulwant tightens her control over her children in an effort to protect her secrets. 28 September 2026. Episode 123. Sarabjit's thoughtful gesture. With tensions rising at home, Sarabjit makes a heartfelt gesture to help Meher feel accepted and secure within the family. 29 September 2026. Episode 124. Meher accepts her reality. Realizing she can no longer hide from the past, Meher decides to face Sarabjit's family's growing suspicions alongside him. The late September 2026. Episode 125. Meher and Sarabjit are left shocked. A sudden revelation turns everything upside down, leaving Meher and Sarabjit stunned as they struggle to process the truth.